Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make simple Mahamri. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of warm coconut milk, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of instant yeast to help them rise beautifully. Finally, add 1/2 teaspoon of ground cardamom for that authentic, aromatic taste. These simple ingredients are the foundation for delicious Mahamri. Now let's get our hands a little messy. In a large bowl, combine your 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of yeast, and 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom. Mix these dry ingredients well. Gradually pour in the 1/2 cup of warm coconut milk, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Then, knead the dough for about 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. It should feel soft and slightly sticky. After kneading, lightly grease a bowl and place your dough inside. Cover it with a clean cloth or plastic wrap. Let it proof in a warm spot for about 1 hour or until it has doubled in size. This step is crucial for fluffy Mahamri. Once proofed, gently punch down the dough. Roll it out on a lightly floured surface into a circle about 1/4 inch thick. Then, cut the circle into 8 to 12 triangles, ready for frying. Finally, it's time to fry these delicious treats. Heat about 3 cups of vegetable oil in a deep pan over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, carefully place a few Mahamri triangles into the pan, ensuring not to overcrowd it. Fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they are beautifully golden brown and puffed up. Remove them and drain on paper towels. Serve your warm, fluffy Mahamri with a cup of tea or coffee. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.